Okay, it's a new day, and believe it or not, I actually found the component that flew away. A tiny little 5-legged creature, which I lost. I looked everywhere for a replacement. I cannot find a replacement. At least we know where it belongs. And I did get a MOSFET for it too last time. And I don't even know where the MOSFET is for it that I'm going to replace with. Maybe this one. That looks used. Okay, I'm going to go ahead with that one. And fix the capacitor position there as well. And then we're going to focus on where to inject power. So let's have a look. What's happened to our activate? Nope, nothing. Disconnect, reconnect, and double check. Deactivate, activate. Good. Okay, here we go. Let's fix this up. Hopefully I don't lose this guy anymore. Okay, so we got one MOSFET to put in. We get this guy to put in. And we got that capacitor there to put in. Okay, 3 things. Actually, that capacitor is fine there. It's the resistor. Okay, I've got to fix up this area. Okay, let's fix up all these legs. I really want to get this laptop going because it's a very, very nice laptop. I even like this. It's got a beautiful large screen. I don't know if this was bought in Australia because I don't think this is an Australian model. So it's a nice laptop that is worth fixing in my opinion. So let's go ahead. Put this guy in. You sir, I think you belong there. He's like, yep, I belong here. Thank you. Alright, there we go. That's mom and dad, yeah, alright. Okay, here we go. Oh god, so hard. Okay, there we go. Nice. And the capacitor lastly. And that was actually a false alarm, I think, that gate to source is low resistance is normal. They're going through that chip FJ equals to, I believe. So this should go like that. Double check. Yep. Oh, my hand is burning. Oh, so hot. Okay, as long as they're making contact, I'm okay. Let me double check. In continuity mode. Okay. That's good. Okay, this is directly connected, that's fine. These guys are connected, that's fine. Yep, yep. Happy days. Okay. Now that low resistance is actually fine, okay? That's not actually a problem. What the hell? Stay focused. What's wrong with you? It's a bit of a mental. Okay. Now, one thing I did think about yesterday, resistance to ground here, 55 kilo ohms. Here, 100 ohms. So, this tells me there's a problem on this side of the coil because the 3-volt rail should not be 100 ohms. So we're going to go ahead and actually inject power at this end of the coil, and let's see what's getting hot. Okay, better use a thicker one. Okay, great. Now we can find out what's really going to get hot. Hopefully it's not the CPU, yeah? I mean, I've got the CPU in there, I don't care. Shouldn't be affected by 3.3 volts, so out of curiosity, let's bring, what do we got here? That's going to be our cable, power injection, blink. Before we do anything with this, so I just want to see what happens. So I'll turn my power supply on, and I'm just going to inject 1 volt. Voltage 1 amp is 0.5. Power is on. Put the ground. Doesn't take anything because I haven't connected the cable yet. Okay, here we go. Aha. 1 volt's taking 0.7 amps. Nice. So whatever it will be, we're gonna find it now. We're gonna find you, mother effer. Hopefully it's not a PCH, but let's see. Even if I find a dead PCH or whatever, I'm happy that to know that we found the problem at least. Sure, it's not worth the time spent on it, or the money for the inspection repair attempt fee, but point is, you know, we actually did the work, find the fault, and move on. Okay, so power is currently off. Let's go ahead and plug the power in and show me what's getting hot. Power is currently in and 0.05, and I'm going to cut the power and increase the voltage to 1.5. Enter, power on, 0.1 amps, 0.2 amps, 0.23 amps. Okay, so something is enjoying that yummy yummy juicy power, but we don't know what it is. Let's poke around the board a little bit more. Anything around here? Anyone getting warm? That coil? Why are you getting hot? Okay. Let's move this board a little bit more around. Here we go. Okay, better not touch the cable. Okay. maybe somewhere around here. That's the GPU area, and pretty much nothing. Still 1.5 volts at 0.16 amps. Anything around here? Okie pokey, anything? Anyone? Maybe something there? No? Okay. Let's go. Voltage 2 volts, alright? Here we go. Voltage is 2 volts. Enter. Pulling at 0.3 amps. So whatever it is, something is sucking power. And hopefully not the PCH. Oh, is that a warm area there? Ooh, getting scary. Oh. Ah, shit. Maybe we do have a dead PCH. Maybe a little bit early to judge that. Hopefully something on the other side. So I'm just going to remove the power to make this cable management easy. So we can have a look on the other side of the board. Got a nice ground. Okay, let's check here. Okay, voltage clear. There we go. I think power is in. Two volts, 0.04 at the moment. Nothing fancy. Okay, let's increase the voltage now. Voltage at no. Voltage at 3 volts. Enter. 0.06 amps. How about voltage 3.3? So it's taking 0.7 amps. I don't think I can find anything under that voltage. The only area I can think of, and I believe that's okay, let me go around a little bit more. Anything around here? Just some reflections. Nothing. Okay, let's go to the other side again. Have a look at this guy. So this is around the PCH. Okay. Cut the power. Power on. Ah, fuck. Alright. See you later, PCH. What a waste of time. Okay. Dead end. Dead PCH. Anyway, this deserves a photo shoot. There we go. Power on. Okay, at least I know. Yeah. So injecting 3.3 at the 3.3 always online. Okay. And so that's what's happening on the power supply at 3.3. And yeah, you saw that. That's what happens. Okay. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.